Bold's your answer right now. Whether you're a solo agent, an agent on a team, you're building or own a team, or you have a giant expansion company, Bold is the best answer for you because it answers every question you have in the market right now. It answers the question about the seller of today, the buyer of today, the best practices around the database today, the lead generation, money, follow-up, systems, models, tools, how to build a referral-based business in real estate, how to do the contacts day in and day out to get from where you are to where you want to be. It answers all those questions through the market of the moment. You see, Gary always says that you don't prepare for the market you're in because it's too late. You got to prepare for the market you're about to be in. And that's what Bold does for you. You see, it's 7 weeks of prescriptive action. It's about getting you to do the activities and the actions that you know you ought to do, that sometimes we push back on. Quite frankly, sometimes we resist. And what we know about that in the Bold room is that what we resist will persist. This is why, since Bold was first released in 2009 in a down market, rewritten the program. Because we are unwilling to leave something on the shelf that's outdated. We won't do it. That's why it's always written to the market of the moment. It's written, quite frankly, to the market you're in today. Bold's the easiest way to go from where you are today to where you want to be tomorrow. That's why we want to see you in Bold. I'm Bold, so are you.